A major separated by 6. So right hand starts with A, left hand starts with C sharp, 3rd finger. So watch out here. Sometimes you want to put 4th finger on F sharp. No, it is 3, because you need to line up and A has to be played with thumb. So left hand 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, and then 4. Another thing to watch out is that the fingers 4 will have to match G sharp and B. So both hands will play 4th finger on these notes. That's the only place where they play 4th fingers. So that is your guide, landmark. 4, 4, 4. At the end, you could do 4, 3. So then you just follow the pattern. 4, 4, G sharp and B. 4, 4. Okay, so for level 10, you have to play it pretty fast. It's a quarter note equals 104. So it's approximately this fast.